Hi guys, welcome back to another exciting cooking moment in the Easy Kitchen. So today we're going to make something under 30 minutes. And what are we going to make? Ginger chicken curry with white rice. Very simple and very easy to make. If you'd like to know how I did this, stay tuned.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome back guys. So let's start cooking. So first of all, I'm going to use about 2 tablespoonfuls of canola oil. This I'm going to heat till they're very hot. And then I'm going to add my cut up boneless chicken breast. And then I'm going to cook this for about 2 minutes. So when my chicken is about to brown, I'm going to add my 1 medium-sized onions that I've sliced into very thin slices. And this I'm going to cook together with the chicken for about 5 minutes. So now my onions are a bit soft. So what I'm going to do next is add a teaspoon of adobo and about half a teaspoon of salt to it and cook again for an additional 2 minutes. So next I'm going to pour in my peas. I'm going to pour my 1 can of coconut milk into a medium-sized bowl. Add 2 teaspoonfuls of curry powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of garlic paste, and a teaspoon of ginger powder. And this I'm going to whisk together and pour over my peas and chicken. Make sure you shake your can of coconut milk very well to loosen up all the solids in the can. So when you finish pouring the sauce over the chicken, you make sure that you cook it for about 5 minutes. So now my ginger chicken curry is all done. So I'm going to just serve it over my white rice. So guys, we've come to the end of our cooking today. How easy is this recipe? I hope you're going to make this today. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And hit the notification button also. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great and wonderful day. Bye!